Welcome to the fascinating world of the human brain, a powerhouse of 86 billion neurons. This is not just a number, but a testament to the complexity and intricacy of our minds. Each neuron, a specialized cell designed to transmit information to other nerve cells, muscle or gland cells, forms a vast and intricate network, somewhat like an intricate piece of art. Imagine each neuron connecting with thousands of others, forming an expansive communication network that makes the internet look like child's play. It's this network that enables you to grasp this conversation, to feel the emotions surging within you, to respond, to dream, and to create. From the simplest tasks like breathing and blinking to the complex processes of decision-making and problem-solving, these neurons are the unsung heroes. They work tirelessly, ensuring we function seamlessly in our daily lives. This intricate network of neurons allows for the lightning-fast communication that is essential for our everyday functions and complex thought processes. Imagine having a conversation with 70,000 people every day. That's the number of thoughts your brain processes daily. This mental chatter is an ongoing dialogue that keeps your brain buzzing with activity around the clock. From the mundane, like what to have for lunch, to the profound, like pondering the mysteries of the universe, your brain is a seething cauldron of ideas, memories, and emotions. Every thought you have is a flurry of neural activity, a tiny electrical storm in the vast universe of your mind. This mental chatter shapes your reality, influences your decisions, and even affects your mood. So next time you're lost in thought, remember that you're engaging in one of the most complex and wondrous processes known to science. That's quite a busy hub of thoughts happening inside your head every day. Ever wondered why you react so quickly to a hot stove? Thank your brain's speedy processing power for that. Our brains are astonishingly quick, processing information at a rate of up to 120 meters per second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. This incredible speed isn't just about reflexes, it's about every aspect of our lives. It's the quick joke that pops into your head during a conversation. It's the split-second decision to swerve when a squirrel darts in front of your car. It's the rapid-fire processing that lets you read these words right now. The brain's speed is essential for our survival and our everyday interactions. It's the reason we can understand language, recognize faces, and play a musical instrument. It's what allows us to respond rapidly to our surroundings, ensuring we navigate the world safely and efficiently. Your brain's rapid processing speed is what allows you to respond quickly to your surroundings. Every time you learn something new, your brain gets a little makeover. Isn't that fascinating? This is due to a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. So when you learn a new skill, or even a new word, you're not just storing information, you're physically changing the structure of your brain. It's like adding a new room to a house or carving a new path in a forest. This continual remodeling is what allows us to adapt to new situations, environments, and challenges. It's why a pianist can master a complex piece of music, or a child can learn to ride a bike. It's even how we recover from brain injuries or overcome learning and psychological disorders. This adaptability of the brain is what helps us grow and learn throughout our lives. So keep learning. Your brain loves a good challenge. Even when you're asleep, your brain is still hard at work. It's like the diligent employee who burns the midnight oil, never really clocking out. As you drift off into dreamland, your brain shifts into a different gear. It's no longer focused on navigating the world around you, but instead, it begins processing the day's information, sorting and storing it for future use. Imagine your brain as a librarian, tirelessly cataloging memories and experiences, ensuring they're ready for recall when you need them. This is a crucial process that enhances your ability to learn and remember. It's during these quiet hours that your brain consolidates memories, solidifying what you've learned during the day. But that's not all. Your brain also regulates bodily functions while you sleep. It's a multitasker, managing your breathing, heart rate, and other vital functions. It keeps you alive and functioning, even when you're unconscious. Your brain truly never rests, working tirelessly even while you're sound asleep. Ever tried to tickle yourself and wondered why it doesn't work? Your brain is the culprit. This might sound surprising, but it's all about prediction. Think of your brain as a master of anticipation, constantly making predictions based on the signals it receives. When you try to tickle yourself, your brain already knows what's coming. It anticipates the sensation because it's your hand doing the tickling. This prediction process dulls the response, effectively neutralizing the tickling sensation. It's your brain's way of distinguishing between expected and unexpected touch. This mechanism plays a crucial role in our daily lives, helping us navigate the world around us. It's what allows us to focus on what's important, filtering out predictable sensations to keep us from being overwhelmed. So the next time you try to tickle yourself and fail, remember, it's all in your brain. This trickster organ is always a step ahead, making sure you stay safe, focused, and ready for the unexpected. Despite its small size, your brain is quite the energy hog. Now imagine a bustling city, brimming with life and activity, day and night. That's your brain, a ceaseless hub of action, constantly working, processing, and reacting. Now here's the kicker. This city, your brain, makes up just about 2% of your total body weight. Yet it's an absolute powerhouse, consuming around 20% of your body's oxygen and energy. Think about that for a moment. This tiny organ, nestled safely in your skull, is responsible for controlling all bodily functions, from breathing and heartbeat to thoughts and feelings. It's like the CEO of your body, working tirelessly around the clock, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. And for that, it needs a lot of energy. So, while the brain might be a bit of an energy hog, it's certainly not wasting it. Your brain, with its high energy consumption, certainly earns its keep. Did you know that your brain has its own unique way of controlling your body's movements? Yes, you heard it right. It's a fascinating process that takes place within our heads, in a region known as the cerebral cortex. The left hemisphere of the brain controls the right side of your body, while the right hemisphere controls the left side. This is what we call cross-wiring, but why is it so? Well, this arrangement aids in better coordination and communication between both sides of the body. Imagine trying to catch a ball. Your right eye sees the ball, the information is processed in the left hemisphere, and your right hand moves to catch it. This happens so seamlessly because of the cross-wiring in our brains. This cross-wiring doesn't just stop at controlling movements. It plays a crucial role in how we process language, perceive faces, and even in our artistic abilities. This unique cross-wiring of the brain ensures smooth and coordinated movements. Your brain is not just a processor, but also a massive storehouse of information. Picture this. The human brain is like a gigantic library, storing countless volumes of books, or in this case, memories and information. Each neuron is like a bookshelf crammed with books, each representing a different piece of information. This incredible organ is estimated to hold up to 2.5 petabytes of data. To put that into perspective, 1 petabyte is 1,000,000 gigabytes. That's a tremendous amount of storage, far exceeding the capacity of any computer or server. Imagine your brain, a 3-pound organ, can store more data than millions of libraries combined. It's like having the capacity to hold 3 million hours of television shows. That's enough to continuously watch TV for over 340 years without ever seeing a repeat. Your brain's storage capacity is truly awe-inspiring, holding the equivalent of 3 million hours of TV shows. Despite its remarkable abilities, the brain is a delicate organ that needs to be handled with care. This intricate marvel, while being a powerhouse of information, ideas, and emotions, is also vulnerable to injury. A minor bump or a significant shock can disrupt its delicate balance, leading to potential cognitive impairments. It's not just physical trauma that can harm the brain. It's also susceptible to stress, lack of sleep, poor nutrition, and harmful substances. These factors can affect its structure and function, potentially leading to mental health problems and neurological disorders. That's why it's vital to take care of your brain. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, ample sleep, and mental stimulation can all contribute to maintaining optimal brain health. And of course, protecting your head from injuries is paramount. So remember, while your brain is a marvel of nature, it's also a delicate organ that needs your care and protection.